All right, let's talk about how you can filter with merged cells within Excel. So here we have some very basic data, and obviously there's not a ton of data here, so filtering isn't really necessary, but the principle that I'm about to show you is going to apply no matter how much data you have to filter through. So we'll quickly add a filter to these column headers here by selecting them. And under the home ribbon, we can go under sort and filter and hit the filter to add a filter. Now, if we want to filter by the northeast, let's say, we'll unselect all of these, select northeast, and hit OK. And we'll notice that it only filters one option here for us. Whereas if we remove the filter, there's actually 4 options. So technically, when you have a merged cell, the data that you have entered within those merged cells is really only displayed in the first cell, which would be A2. Whereas we can see that this merged cell covers cells A2, A3, A4, and A5. Now, in short, there really isn't a way Excel has for you to filter with a merged cell, but I'm going to show you a quick shortcut to fix that so that you can. Basically, what we're going to need to do is add northeast to cell A2, 3, 4, and 5 rather than having it merged. So your first step is to select the column where your data has merged cells. Then you're going to want to go to the home ribbon and then find this option merge and center. Just unselect the merge and that's going to unselect all of the merged cells for you. Now with that column still selected, we're going to go up to find and select and we're going to hit go to special. This little menu box will appear and basically what we're going to want to do is select blanks. Then we'll go ahead and hit OK and that's going to select all the blanks in that column that we selected. Then without selecting or typing anything, simply hit equals and select the cell above it. And then we're going to hit Control Enter. And that's going to add that region to where it was merged before. As we can see here, we wanted cells A2 to A5 to say northeast. We now have that, and the Great Lakes and Central Plains worked the same. So now when we go up and we add a filter and we select just the northeast and hit OK, we're going to get all 4 options rather than just the one option that we had when we filtered originally. But there you have it, just a simple, quick, and easy way to filter with merged cells in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.